We're going to be making a basic birthday cake. We're going to be using whole grain flours and coconut sugar and all organic ingredients, and we're also going to be using pasture-raised eggs. So that means when an egg is pasture-raised, that means it actually gets to run around in the field as opposed to being just in one place.
It's like a baby little chick.
Yeah, it's a baby chick that gets to run around and grow up as a proper chicken. Well, I mean, the eggs are laid from chickens like that. So first, what we'll do is we will start with our eggs, our butter, and our vanilla and sugar. So we're gonna do 1 cup of butter, so that's 2 sticks, okay? And normally vanilla cakes turn out white, but ours will not be white because the reason they tend to be white is because the flour and the sugar has been bleached. But we're using whole grain flour and unrefined sugar.
And we're going to use them.
My coconut sugar.
We're going to do some sugar. I think that's enough.
Here's 1 cup. And I'm just saying half of this 1 cup measure. And I'm putting that in. So there's 1.5 cups of sugar. And now I'm going to put in 4 eggs. I'm going to let you guys make your own batch.
We all need
2, 3, okay. There's 4 eggs in here, and now we need vanilla. So about a tablespoon of vanilla extract. There we go, there's our vanilla. So we'll measure out our flour, 2 3/4 cup. 2, so here's 1. 2 and 3/4 cup. So that's half a cup. And then half of a half will make a quarter. And we need our baking powder, which we have right here. And in there we're going to put 1 tablespoon. So we're going to mix in a tablespoon of baking powder.
I love candy.
All right, so we have this, and then we also have our milk. Will be on stand. We have some milk that we're going to use. I have a cup of milk. So.
A little cup of milk. Oh, that's enough.
All right. Okay, so we've added in a little bit of our flour now, and I'm alternately going to put in milk and flour.
And it looks like peanut butter, right?
Yeah,
It really does.
you're right. It really does look like chunky peanut butter. That's right.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to
Now
put in a
it's still
little bit of
peanut
milk, just a splash. I'm going to mix this in. Okay, now I'm going to put some of my flour.
More flour?
Yeah, we're mixing in our flour and our milk. Okay, so I'm gonna put my last little bit of flour and my last bit of milk. And I'm going to whisk it with these specs. All right, here's our cake batter. It's gonna be a kind of a more of a dense cake batter. So we have our cake batter. It's definitely a little bit thicker than standard cake batter. That's because of the whole grain flour. Here are the two cake batter pans. Okay. And oh wow, look at these. They're so amazing. Okay, I'm gonna use a fork now. Here's a fork. And I'm gonna test to make sure it's done. And the fork is clean. Oh wow. Yay. So I'm going to flip, I have to cool these off, so I'm gonna flip them onto a plate. Okay, and I'm gonna make sure to hold the outer edges of my pan, and then my thumbs are here. And I'm gonna flip it. There it goes. All right, so here's one. And here's the other. This one I'm just gonna flip it really fast because it's not that heavy. There we go, ta-da! And we are going to create a whipped cream frosting, and we've already been chopping up some strawberries, and we're gonna create a beautiful birthday cake. Yay! We're gonna be making our whipped cream topping. So we are putting in whipped cream. We're gonna put in some sugar and some vanilla. Okay? This is vanilla bean paste. So we're just gonna take a little bit. Okay, that's just a little drop.
Give your opinion.
Do your dance. Yeah, do your dance, yeah. Okay. Yeah. So we're gonna try the whipped cream. I have my two layers. Okay, so the top is round and the bottom is flat. So I'm gonna flip one over and I'm gonna put it bottom side down. And then I'm gonna put some fillings here. And then eventually I'm gonna put the other layer on top. So it'll be like a cake.
Some fillings.
Yeah, it'll be like a cake sandwich. Okay. I'm gonna put some whipped cream. And I have this nice little tool I'm gonna use. It's an offset spatula.
I think that's enough. Spread all over. You need it like some.
So we have a whipped cream icing. It's very simple icing. There's just cream and vanilla
and sugar
and coconut sugar.
and
Here's our first layer. Now I'm going to put a layer of strawberries.
those look really juicy.
These are strawberries from a place called Sea Level Farm. It's on top now.
Now it looks like a sandwich.
Now we have our
Looks like a
layer cake.
ice cream.
Now we're gonna put another layer of whipped cream on.
Oh.
So we have our whipped cream.
Lots of cream.
So now I'm gonna start pushing it off to the side, and make sure your layers are fully cool in order to do this. And this offset spatula is a really helpful tool.
Yeah, that was.
To make a pretty pattern with the strawberries, we're gonna do a little flour.
We're gonna do a flower.